a plane. Here it comes, the Choo Choo Train. Puffing steam, a ringing bell, telling stories it will tell. Over bridges, under trees, dancing with the morning breeze. Choo-choo here and choo-choo there, see it racing everywhere. Smiling faces on each seat, waving hands to all they meet. A bear with snacks, a cat with books, a monkey painting sunny looks. The train is full of joy and cheer, spreading giggles far and near. Climb aboard, don't miss your ride, adventures waiting right inside. With every chew, the fun won't end. The choo-choo train's your happy friend.